Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that promise to elevate your beauty routine. And today, we're diving into a little something that's all about enhancing your natural glow with minimal effort. If you love a flushed, radiant look that's easy to apply and built to last, you might want to meet the Milk Makeup Bionic Blush. This hydrating liquid blush claims to give you buildable, blendable color while improving your skin's appearance over time. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, something we always appreciate. Today, we're putting it to the test to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's talk specifics. Milk Makeup Bionic Blush is a liquid formula designed to deliver a luminous, radiant finish. The color I'm testing today is called Infinity, a beautiful dusty rose that feels fresh yet sophisticated. It's buildable, which is great for those who like to layer their blush depending on their desired intensity. The formula is hydrating, so it's not just about the color, it's about that skin-improving effect too. Packed with nourishing ingredients, it promises to make your skin look and feel better after application. Now let's talk about real-world use. The first thing I noticed when applying this blush is how easily it blends into the skin. You know how some liquid blushes can feel streaky or hard to work with? Not this one. Whether you use your fingers or a makeup sponge, it melts into the skin effortlessly, leaving a natural-looking glow. I found that a little goes a long way, which is great for those who don't want to overdo it. I've used it both in the morning for my everyday look and during a night out, and I've got to say, it holds up well. No patchiness, no fading, just a steady glow that looks as fresh as when you first applied it. The hydrating aspect is real too. I have dry skin, and this blush doesn't accentuate any dryness or texture. Instead, it gives a smooth, hydrated finish that adds to that dewy, healthy skin look we all crave. Of course, no product is perfect. One small downside for me was the packaging. The liquid formula comes in a twist-up stick, which is convenient for travel, but I found it tricky to control how much product came out. It's easy to end up with a bit more than you need, especially since the blush is quite pigmented. When it comes to value for money, Milk Makeup Bionic Blush falls on the higher end of the price spectrum for liquid blushes. But given the formula's hydrating qualities and the fact that you get a buildable, long-lasting product, it's hard to say it's not worth it. I'd say if you're someone who prefers luxury formulas and doesn't mind investing in quality, this is definitely a contender for your makeup bag. Comparing it to similar products, I've tested a few liquid blushes, but this one feels more skin-friendly. It doesn't settle into fine lines, and it keeps your cheeks looking fresh all day without fading into oblivion. Some other blushes might give you the color you want, but leave your skin feeling dry, whereas Milk Makeup Bionic Blush keeps that dewy finish intact. Let's also talk about build quality. The stick itself is sleek, and the packaging feels sturdy. The twist-up mechanism is smooth, but as I mentioned earlier, it can be a bit unpredictable in terms of how much product you get. I didn't have any direct experience with Milk Makeup's customer support, but the brand has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful. That's always reassuring when you're buying a high-end product. I've not noticed any updates or changes to this product since its release, but with the formulation being hydrating and focused on long-term skin improvement, I'd imagine it would be a great addition to anyone's beauty regimen for the long haul. If the price is a concern, there are some solid alternatives on the market. For example, Glossier's Cloud Paint provides a similar, buildable blush in a more budget-friendly price range, though the finish is a bit more matte than luminous. It's something to consider if you like that natural, flushed look, but don't want to stretch your budget. At the end of the day, Milk Makeup Bionic Blush is a standout option for those who prioritize hydration and a glowing finish. It delivers on its promises of buildability, blendability, and skin-improving effects. The color is versatile, and it's a great choice for anyone looking to add a touch of luminosity to their routine without any fuss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase the Milk Makeup Bionic Blush in the description box below. If you've tried this blush, drop a comment to let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.